Looks like we're about to have a really good thunderstorm. Maybe I can record some of it. You see the wind vane? It's blowing back this way right now. That'll change a lot when the storm comes through. Are you the rain shepherd tonight? You know it's gonna rain. I know your dog senses tell you that. Come here. She loves to sit out underneath the trees in the rain. Back over there are places where pretty much always has pretty good coverage for her. Oh, check it out. I got it all sanded. I don't know if it shows up in the light, but it is nice. Platz. I think this is gonna be a big one, girl. So the wind vane switched and now it's going this way. Boy, it's dark over there. Ooh, nice cold rain. It's definitely rain down there. It's pushing this way, I guess. Yeah, like those clouds moving up there. I love being in a canyon during a storm, especially lightning storms at night. Of course, I haven't put my drip edge on this. I didn't have much of an overhang and I needed to tuck a drip edge underneath there, so not all of the rain ends up in the gutter. I'm telling you, it's a blessing to have a roof that does not leak. Look at that. See that? Just a little bit of light. I really do wish that I had done that drip edge. I should have already done that. So it goes. Nice and watertight in here. Boy, it's flowing. Look at this. Now, what do you think of this storm, little shepherd? Little shepherd? I'm not throwing that for you. You don't want to go fetching that, numbskull. No, we're sitting and we're watching the storm. That's what we're doing. We're not playing. No. This is what she does when she wants to fetch. She'll act annoying and cute until I throw it for her. coming in sideways. In both ways. Holy cow. Look at the wind bang. She votes that we go inside. I vote that we stay out here. No, look at all that water. I think my rain catchment's gonna do really well. Okay, I think I'm with you. Let's go inside. Good idea. Wow, it's loud out there. Well, I don't blame you. That was pretty exciting, don't you think? What are you doing? Go up there. Sometimes you gotta stay inside when it's raining. You can see where I'm gonna have to bring in some dirt to build up my house and work the drainage a little bit better. But here in Arkansas, we get about 7 inches on average of rain every single month. You can see the clay washing down from the top of the hill down here. Dog bowl's full. Yeah. I'm gonna be catching some water here pretty soon. She wants no part of being out there in that. Look at this thing over here. Good morning, guys. It's early in the morning, but it's still raining. I don't know how many inches of rain we've gotten. I know that I've probably let hundreds and hundreds of gallons go through this, but just another rainy day. Supposed to. You mussy mutt, come here! I can't believe you did that, Putz. Not on my table, Putz. You're being naughty. So you can see what I got. There's evidence of you causing trouble. Yeah, that's my table. So needless to say, I'm not super happy, but it's also kind of my fault because look at this mess. I'm such a nasty, disgusting guy. I usually clean up my stuff pretty well, but I'm having this area that is covered from the rain maybe isn't the best for me. Maybe I'm not responsible for enough of that yet. But look at all that rain. Already starting to see the river come up. Some of the sandbars down there that were coming in or now floating up. It's really an interesting area because, you know, the water goes up and down up here pretty well. So maybe, I think it's supposed to rain all day. I'm not sure how many inches total we're gonna get, but it's a lot. I would assume that we got several inches in the first hour of the storm yesterday, and that was, I think that kicked off at about 2. The funny thing is that you get disoriented around here not seeing a clock, and it was 4, and it was so dark here. I was wondering if it was like 8 o'clock or something. I was wondering why am I not hungry? So I made some burritos and watched Talladega Nights. I hadn't seen that one in a while. That's a funny movie. And went to bed early. You know, there wasn't a whole lot to do, and here I am. You know, it's 7 o'clock or something, and look at my attire. I affectionately refer to these as jammies. It's kind of cold. It's like 70 degrees, so that's cold for me. So these jammies are kind of warm, and I am gonna wait and get some coffee here in a minute. You lay your dirty dog shelf down right there and don't move. Don't get on my table no more. Trouble. She loves to go do what she wants to do. And that's fetch and explore. So this is my morning routine. I boil my water. And yes, I'm gonna oil my pan. I just cleaned it. I'm kind of weird. I have this rule. In a relationship, I either cook or I clean. I prefer to cook. But I don't do both. And the sad thing is, like living here alone, right? I don't do both, right? Okay, so the way that I get around that for my morals and values is I clean in the morning. I usually make a pretty good mess, so I've cleaned up my nighttime mess. So I boil my water, I put my grounds in here, and then I have a craft that'll keep my coffee warm. That's really nice. And having a moist dog in the house, it's a good idea to have a candle. So I'm just gonna kind of take it easy today, I guess. I have this idea that I need to finish that table, so that'll probably be my my project here in a minute. This is really a different kind of day. It's been at least a month worth of drought, and even so before that we were getting some great thunderstorms, but they were just at night. And it's kind of cool to have a rainy day. I mean, I don't know what else I'd be doing, just working my butt off, but I'm gonna have a rainy day today. So I guess I will get to editing a video and sending that out to you guys. Let me know if you feel like this is working out a little bit better. I feel like you're getting to know me. I can tell you some funny stories. And in the meantime, I'm getting some stuff done. This table has just been, it's taken forever. I think I'm putting a little bit too much time into it. I spent almost all day sanding yesterday. But I don't know, I just kind of want to make it as perfect as I can. And I like sanding, I guess, so that makes me weird. I did want to tell you a funny story about Delta that I just thought of. My friend and his wife had us over for a small barbecue for his birthday. I don't remember if it was last weekend or if it was the weekend before, but Delta knows his dog. He and his wife have come over here once or a few times before, and you know, and she likes the dog, and they have cats. They're super cat people, and they have this one cat. When Delta goes in, you know, the cat puffs up, and the cat's name is Mr. Bojangles. So the cat puffs up, you know, and Delta's not paying any attention. She likes cats. She just wants to go outside, you know, because we've come inside now. Outside is where their dog is. And we're looking out the window, and that cat sneaks up on Delta and jumps on her back and just just like surprise attacks her, and she goes, "Rip!" I was laughing. That cat was a boss, and just got on Delta, you know, with all the claws and everything. Delta didn't do anything wrong. I was really proud of Delta that she didn't recoil and bite her, because she gets down. I didn't know if she was going to be much of a fighter, but I've seen her. I mean, I've seen her fight 4 dogs at once before that were trying to get on her, and they were pit bulls, and she's a really good fighter. So I was really happy that she didn't go after that cat in the middle of a birthday party. That would have been a mess. But, you know, I guess even when you're a proud German Shepherd, you can get chomped by a cat named Mr. Bojangles. 3-syllable name. It's pretty formidable. Well, I guess I am going to push the stop button here and edit a video and try to do something productive. Going through one of those phases, I'm wondering, you know, like, I'm kind of anal. You know, I am kind of anal, I guess. You know, like, my house could use a cleaning. I need a mopping. I swept it yesterday, and now I've got some muddy dog prints from yesterday, and need some deep clean on a few things, but I'm hoping today it couldn't be a boring day. It feels boring right now. Alright. Now my brain can work. One of those people that needs some coffee to allow that to happen. I learned this trick when I lived on a boat. I don't know if you know, but a coffee maker, when it comes on, it has like kind of like a peak amperage or whatever that's higher than almost any appliance in the house. So, you know, I just got it out of the habit of running coffee through a coffee maker, and a sailor taught me this, where you just boil the water and you put it in your craft, and I think it makes really good coffee that way. How do you drink your coffee? Are there Starbucks drinkers on this channel? I'm just curious. I'm wondering if I have more rural people, or if I have more people that live kind of similar to me in the country. I know that a lot of my the people that watch my program are in nursing homes, and God bless you. I think that might be a hard way to live, especially during this coronavirus. My hearts go out to you. But I'm just kind of curious if most of the people that watch this program are living in the city, and they're kind of thinking about living like this, or they used to live like this once upon a time, or if they're people that are mainly living rural. So leave a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. I'm glad that I've been able to take you along and kind of show you my day-to-day. It's not glamorous. It's not glamorous. But thanks for the likes and the subscribes, and you know, you might think about putting that notification button on, since I'm doing a video about every other day, and Google's sending me all sorts of notices saying that they like that because the views are up 83% or something. So I appreciate it. I appreciate all the watch time and putting up with me. Have a good day. Hope you're staying warm. That didn't make any sense. Hope you're staying warm. It's the summertime. Of course you're staying warm. I meant I hope you're staying dry. God bless.